know, I reckon there's nothing better than a big day on the tracks and then coming back to camp and cooking up a hearty camp feed straight in the camp oven. Now, the one I've got for you today, it's lamb chops and sausage casserole. It's a bit of a family favourite because I've been cooking it for a long time. In fact, my grandmother used to cook this one. What I love about this one is it's a big one-pot wonder. Throw everything in the camp oven and let it cook. Now what we've got is we've got some sausages. Get some with plenty of flavour. Then we've also got some lamb chops. Go for the 4/4 chops if you can, the ones with the bigger bone, not the smaller bone. That way they don't break up as it's cooking in the camp oven. All right, we're going to kick this one off by getting your lamb chops, popping them straight in the bottom. Now the idea is we're going to sort of layer everything in there. So a couple of sausages can go in there as well. Sweet potato, throw them on top. Now you want to chop them so they're not too thin, a little bit of thickness in there. That way it cooks about the same time as the meat will as well. Then we're going to pop gravy, a bit of Gravox in there. I'm just going to pour that over the top like that. And we're going to throw some curry powder straight over there. So it sort of comes out very casserole this one. That's the whole idea of it. Beautiful. And then of course, some Worcestershire sauce, which is going to sweeten it up a little bit. Sort of tame that curry powder down a bit. Now what's next? We're going to repeat the process. So more lamb chops straight on top. And that's the key to this, it's layering it. All right, and then we're going to do it again. Gravy, just repeat the layers. Gravy powder, bit of curry powder in there. And while this is all being prepared, you want a campfire going nice and early. Give it an hour or so beforehand because you want plenty of nice red hot coals there to cook it. All right, now once you've done all of your layers, we're going to pop in a bit of onion. So the onion's just going to go right over the top, just like so. Cool, and then we're going to get our crushed tomatoes. Now I'm going to go with 2 tins of tomatoes, mainly because I've got them here. This adds plenty of flavour. Last but not least, I'm going to put a little bit of water in there as well. Mainly to help that gravy powder sort of form into a bit more of a gravy. Pop the lid on, bung it straight on the fire. Alrighty, we're going to dish this one up because I can smell it from over there. Now what you want to check for here is the potatoes are cooked. If the potatoes are cooked, the meat's going to be spot on as well. Look at that lamb chop, absolutely beautiful, ready to go. There's some potato, where's the sausage? There we are. I'll give it a little taste test. So much flavour packed into this one pot. And that's the beauty with this one, it's one pot, so there's not much wash it up to do either. Give it a go for yourself, you'll love it.